Hey guys, this is very easy. First you'll need your pole and balloons, of course, and the balloon blower. I didn't picture it here, but you'll see later on during the video. So here I have my balloons. The dominant color is going to be paired together and the other ones are going to be paired together. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. So here with my electric air pump or balloon blower, I'm just blowing up the gold balloons and tying them up together like so. Very simple. And as you can see, I have a lot of balloons on the floor. I like to do my balloons ahead of time and just do a lot so that when I'm stacking, I'm just flowing with the stacking up and everything. You'll see that later on. So here I'm just doing the same thing for the white and the red balloons, and I'm gonna tie it up as well and set it aside. So for this part, you have to watch closely. All I'm doing is just wrapping the balloons so that they're all on opposite side of each other. So one way to do it is just take like for example, like take the red one and just wrap it around like twice so that it's on the other side, and then everything will magically fall in place. So I'm gonna show you guys this the second time. It's kind of tricky to watch it and just catch it, but honestly when you have the balloons in your hand, it's gonna be very easy to do. All you're literally doing is just wrapping it around each other, and they're just gonna end up at the other side of each other. That's it. So here comes the fun part, stacking up the balloons. All I'm doing is literally placing the balloons on the pole, like through the corners, like the space in between, and like so. And all I'm doing is just slightly twisting the balloons as I stack it along. So for example, just use one balloon as a reference point. Like for this video, the red will be the reference point, and all you're doing is slightly moving the balloon each time you stack it up, just in the little space in between both balloons. I don't know if that makes sense, but maybe watching it would make things more clear. And just magically they just swirl, and all you're literally doing is just stacking the balloons on top and just slightly moving over every time, and it just creates this illusion of like a spiral balloon column. So this is the finished product. It looks lovely, and you guys just try doing it, maybe for a birthday party, baby shower. It's just an inexpensive way to like make a whole venue like look really nice. For this one, I did it for my boss for an event she was gonna host on campus, and I just decided to show you guys how I do them. Thanks for watching. So these are some that I did for Christmas for the office, and for this one I used 2 green, 1 gold, and 1 red, and I did it the same way I just did this other one. And for this one I used 2 colors, 2 gold and 2 blue. And yeah, thanks for watching you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.